Okay, it is Monday, January 26th, 2015, and we are at the beginning of the snow event that they're going to call the biggest blizzard that we've ever had. So this is what we have right now. Doesn't look like a whole lot, but it is what it is. It is what it is, and we will see what it is as it develops. But Monday, 26th of January, 2015, about 9:30 a.m., and this is how it starts. Okay, Monday, January 26th, 2015. 12:30 p.m. and it's starting up again. This is the stuff before the storm, and as you can see, some selfish asshole decided he's going to be blocking our driveway again. But you can see the snow coming down. We zoom out so you can actually see it, and that's your update. Okay, here's the update again. It's 2 o'clock and snow's coming down pretty good. Nice fine snow. Pretty good wind. UPS is still rolling. And there you have it. Alright, this is 3:30, and as you see, as they say, shit getting real. Yes indeed, shit getting real. Alright, new update. It's 5 p.m. Snow's kind of let up for now. We have maybe, I don't know, maybe an inch or so on the ground. And that's about it. And it's getting dark, so your next update will either be if things really get out of hand or in the morning. Okay, last update of the night. It's 7 o'clock. Snow's coming down at a pretty moderate clip. We got a few inches on the ground. And let me just focus in on this light over here. You can see the snow blowing a bit. Hold on. Okay, you can see the snow. And let me pull out. Give you a quick view of the neighborhood. And this will be it until morning. Here comes the train. Trains are going to stop coming in tomorrow morning. Actually, they're going to stop coming in at 11. Okay, this is your 7 o'clock update. As you can see, the snow is still coming down, despite what they said on the news. It's coming down pretty heavy, actually. We didn't get quite the accumulation they were saying we were going to get, but we still got pretty good snow. At least if I can fix the focus on here, that's a little better. And you can possibly see that it is actually blowing pretty good. I've heard a couple of subway trains. I haven't actually seen them with my own eyes, but that's where we're at right now. Okay, Tuesday morning, 7:30. Still snowing pretty well. A little slippery. Clouds come through a couple times. It's windy. Travel ban has just been listed from what I've been told on the news. I don't see any trains running yet. I hope they do soon. And we'll check back in half an hour. 8:40 a.m. And the storm that they said was winding down rages on, as we can see here. It's blowing rather badly, snowing rather hard. However, you do seem to have trains. I don't see anybody on them. They do appear to be running. So that's your update right now. Let me see if I can zoom out in a little bit and get the snow. And one more sweep. And there you are. Okay, a little after 9. Still snowing hard. Very hard. Neighbors shoveling a little bit. Heard a train not too long ago. And let me zoom out. There appear to be people on the platform of the train station. So evidently the trains aren't going to be running. But still pretty nasty. It's 10 a.m. now, and it's still snowing fairly hard. People are starting to dig out. We haven't had a whole lot of plow activity. Wind's died down a bit. I haven't heard a train in a while. I don't see anybody on the platforms either. That doesn't mean much. Well, there we go. And that's where we're at right now, 10 o'clock on Tuesday morning. It's time for your 11 o'clock update. As you can see, it's still snowing pretty hard, although a little bit lighter than it was. We have trains on the tracks, which is good. Means my wife can actually get home soon. God willing. At least I hope so. There are people on the street. Kind of a light, grainy type snow. And we have some people out there shoveling. Definitely not working too hard. From the looks of things, we got maybe 6-7 inches. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. Could be as much as a foot if I'm going from what's on the ground there by this car. but it doesn't look like it's wound down quite yet. And that is where we are at. Okay, so it's noon on Tuesday, and I think this is probably about the last of it. It's wound down pretty good. People are digging out. Train went by just now, so I know that it's starting to get back to normal. Roads are fairly clear. We didn't lose power at all. So, could have been a hell of a lot worse than it was. And that's your blizzard of 2015.